हेलो अस्सलामु अलैकुम अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल करीम व अला आलिहि तय्यबीन अत्ताहिरीन अल-मुंतजबीन अल-मुंतखबीन बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इन्नद दीना इंदल्लाहिल इस्लाम। Assalamu alaikum, distinguished scholars, Janab Siddiq Hasan Siddiq Sahab, and all other ulama and the dear audience who are here. I thought to deliver you in a language which is lingua franca, which can go beyond the borders. So I have chosen this language, otherwise I love Urdu. When I first heard this international religious conference, it made me spark that this is the time and a fertile and high time to think over the comparative interfaith, interreligious dialogue, discussion, debate. There are two ways of making such a debate. The one is that, of course, very sorry to say, a majority of people go around the bush like, what is good in me and what is bad in you. But there are a very minority which we need to cultivate. The second minority, that to look after what is good in all of us so that we may be in a win-win situation. And in my studies of over 15 years, I found that over 90 to 95% facts, principles, laws, bylaws, even bylaws, they are common. Commonalities are 92 to 95%. Only 5 to 7% we differ. But pity is that media flashes sparks only that 5 to 7%. We need such dialogue to sit together with different peoples of different cultures, different religions, different backgrounds, different aptitudes, that we may come together to break the ice and to dislodge, dismantle the misunderstandings that we have. So it is high time that we need to come at a time when we are seeing the media, and especially in 2023 what we have seen from the 7th of October, the world is divided. What I have to put here is that we differentiate between Judaism and Zionism. Jews are our brothers and sisters, they are Ahl Kitab, like Christians. And of course, in the language of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib salam, you have two brothers, one brother in deen, the other in your kind. So with this perspective, even our non-Muslim Indian Vedantic commissioned people, they are also our brothers and sisters. We need to dismantle the differences and to come together on one platform so that we may lodge into a peaceful living globally. I had some, in fact I am not addressing from the paper which I had prepared, because seeing the time has gone too high, and it's almost going to be 11 now. I thought to finish it with the preface, the introduction, which I encourage all over here who have organized this conference, International Religious Conference, that we may foresee such conferences in the times to come, so that we may get a chance. And I will appreciate, as a suggestion I am advising, we have got certain religious leaders of different heads, and we have peoples from different sects within Islam also. But may I request the organizers that, for example, if we have 5,000 Muslims over here, how about it will be if we invite, beside the ulama and scholars of different faiths, why not we invite the open forum of non-Muslims, Christians, Jews, Hindus. Of course, Vedantic Hindus will be the first preference. With this, let me complete my address, and God bless you all. Thank you very much once again for inviting me and giving a chance. Fi amanillah, fi hifdillah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।